Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Gamali. So, how are you guys? I hope you all are you doing great, fantastic. So, today I'm going to reveal that what is most important. First one is money, second one is time, and what is both of them, what is significant role. So I will tell you today. I will discuss about both things, money and time, what is most important and why it is most important. If you have any questions, so you can ask after watching this video in the comment box. So now let's begin. So first of all, I would like to say, if you are new over, so please subscribe this channel, as well as you can press the bell icon so that you get easily notification. So I have question, what is most important, what is most crucial, like you give use what is most important in your opinion, like time and money. So today I am talking about my opinion. So like if I talk about my opinion, so I would like to say always time is a very important part, because if you want to earn money, because earning money is a very good way, is a very hard work. Without hard working you can't earn money. So but you can say, before I will talk, I will tell, like time is most significant role if you want to earn money. So time is a very crucial, time is a very significant, very vital topic. Like if you don't have so much time, so how it could be possible to earn money. So and because and time is like if you want to do, if you want to is learn a new skills. So there is matter, like how much time you are investing and in you are wasting. So that after that you have you will be utilize your time. Like time is a very part of your life. If you suppose I am here, I am sitting, I am making video, so this is a time, this is a part a time, like how I utilize this time. Like I am learning this language, I am utilize my time, and I am good way to utilize my time. So this is a part. And if you have lot of time and you can't do anything in your time, and you can't learn anything in a good way, like you are sitting at home, you sit at home and you are going anywhere, you are enjoying. So it is not good way to your utilize your time. You have to always, you have to try always utilize your time like good way. So then time is very, time will be provide you good opportunity, you good skills, you good anything. And now let's jump in second, like what is money. And money is important, but rather than uh, time, rather than time is very important. Like money is a second part your life. So now let's talk about money. So money is nowadays money is very important. You can say, if you don't money, if you don't have so much money, so people will not come with your, and people will not respect you, people will not appreciate you. But and I will tell you one thing. When I started my English journey, so you can say I was a very poor family background. I belong to be very poor families, and when I started my journey, so that time you can say I don't had any knowledge like how to earn money, and that time my life is a very pathetic, and my financial condition is a very pathetic. So I realized when that time I had lot of time, so I utilized my time. So then I you can say that I am here and I am earning money little bit, not so much good, but I am earning little bit, and I am growing up in our life. So it is money and that is time. So this is a difference time between time and money. So I will tell you always, if you have time and if you want to do anything in your life, so first you have to start your utilized time, you know. Because suppose you have lot of money, yes, somewhere somehow you get money, and what should you do? What should you? Because if you don't have knowledge, if you don't have knowledge if you don't have knowledge like how to spend money, so you will filled your time and you will filled your anything. So doesn't matter what do you want to do in your life, but if you utilize your time each and every day, day by day, so definitely one day you will become a good person in your life. And some people has around me, I am looking after that people and that family. So they are a very they are nowadays they are following anytime they follow only money. Money is important. I know that have a lot of family and pressure, but you can say, yeah, first you have to think. You have to think your how to waste your time, how to invest your time. So this is a very good thing. And now I will tell you one thing if you want to learn this language, if you want to learn a new skills, suppose you want to learn English, you want to convey your thought with people. So it is not sufficient your thought, because you have to every day try to listening, try to speaking, try to writing, try to all things is very important, all part is very important if you want to become a good person, in good speaker in future. So you have to utilize time for learning this language. So this time is very very significant, a very very great opportunity in your future, in your life. So I will tell you always, don't follow only money, don't run behind money, because money is not important, money is not your all life. No, if you have knowledge, if you have time, so you can start do how to utilize your time. What do you want to become in future? First you have to decided in earlier in entire days. You have to only entire focus on your goal, like how to achieve this goal, how to achieve how to achieve things, anything. First you have to decide it on your life, then you have to, so you have start your convey, you should start your a long journey, long timetable, you have to manage your all things. Then after, you can say, after 1 years, after 2 years, how much get opportunity in your life, because I have done that. That's why I'm telling you. Because nowadays I am not so much earning money, I'm not so much good condition, but I am happy with my life. Because when I was not able to do anything that time, you can consider how was my day. And I was crying every day. I used to I used to scared of my life, how to grow up and how to do, what should I do. But nowadays, now God blessing me, like I am happy with my life. I am doing any students, what am I doing any students, it is a good for me. Like I am learning this language. Apart from that, I am teaching some children, and children are growing day by day. So this is a happiness moment for me. This is time is a very very valuable for me. So if you like, I will say again, if you want to do anything in your life, because there, you we are human being, and we have lot of time after doing all chores, and we are women. So you have to think about like how to decided how what should you do first. And the second, you have to start your work. Don't think, don't peep either and neither. Don't think overcome, like don't think over much, like they people what should do think with me. And no, your work is only decided, and work on this topic, on this situation, on this work, whatever you want to do on your life. So, and the second one is, if you will, if have so much time, and if you will get opportunity to time, so time will also give you opportunity in future. But you have to discipline your life, you have to sufficient your life, you have to uh, provide your time in our life, you have to join on your life. So then it could be possible. Otherwise, if you wasting your time in a bad way, so it is not possible for you. So if you like my video, you can support